Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Taj and I'm a paycheck budgeter documenting my financial journey here on YouTube. If you are returning, welcome back, beautiful budgeter. In today's video, I am going to be decorating my spray for the month of May. I'm trying to hurry up, y'all, because baby May is around the corner, okay? So if you are interested in seeing how my spray will turn out for this month or for next month, then girl, stick around and keep on watching.
Love set you free to fly your pretty wings around. Wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings, pretty wings.
All right, welcome back. So I am going to go ahead and jump on into it. Those of you that are new to my channel, this is a disclaimer that I always say with these type of videos. I don't really talk through this video. I do my intro, and then after that, I just kind of jump on into it. I'll speed it up a little bit just so, you know, for time purposes, but I'll play some music and then we'll just rock out. So if you are decorating your spread at this time or you haven't, girl, go ahead and get all your stuff. Let's go. Let's jump into it. All right. So I am going to pull out the sheets for this month. Well, for next month. And yeah. And then we're going to go ahead and jump into it. I already have my stickers prepped and ready to go. And then this is the no spin calendar for no spin, low spin for the month of May. It is available now in my Ko-Fi shop. The link is in the description, as well as if you look at a previous post, community post, I did put the link in there as well. It is a free digital download that comes also with the envelope if you want it. Y'all will notice that on this spread, I actually made a couple of the dates different colors, y'all. So of course, Cinco de Mayo, Mother's Day, and then y'all, the 14th is my birthday. Okay, drop down in the comments if you a Taurus. And then also the monthly budget sheet is available. If you use this every month, then you can go ahead and get that as well. All right, y'all, that's enough for rambling. I'm gonna go ahead and jump on into it.
Don't leave your girl around me, true player for real. That's my nigga for real. You baby, it's okay, girl. 'Cause I'ma be alright tonight. You don't have to go after the night. It's okay, girl. Don't leave your girl around me, true player for real. That's my nigga for real. Situation will arise in our lives, but you gotta be smart about it. Celebrations with the God I sacrificed for you. You could not sleep without it. Meanwhile, I love you. You are my girl. You see, but you're so steady, baby. It's okay, girl. 'Cause I'ma be alright tonight. You don't have to go after the night. It's okay, girl. Don't leave your girl around me, true player for real. That's my nigga for real. Oh, girl, your face is saying why. Tears tonight. Should've been more smart about it. Should've cherished me. Listening to friends. Now it's the ending. Never again, no reckoning without it. Damn, I love you. You are my girl. You see, but you're so steady. too young of a guy to stay home waiting for love. So tonight I'm gonna do anything I'm in done, and that's party. Oh yeah. You don't gotta go. So hey girl, I'ma be alright tonight. We gotta call. So I'm okay, girl. I'ma be alright tonight. Tonight I'm going out with my love. So I'm alright, girl. I'ma be alright tonight. You know you want my love, baby.
Got me twisted
Girl, you got me twisted over you.
Oh my God.
I got what you need right here, baby.
So what you wanna do?
Baby, baby, I know. Baby, I love you so. But you don't feel like I do. Tell me, what can I do?
But I gotta be.
But I gotta be strong, girl. You did me wrong.
I thought we were really
I
down.
thought we were down.
Say you want
Now you say you want me, girl. Make up your mind.
I'm not gonna be here for long.
I'm not gonna be here for long. You know you want my loving, baby.
Got me twisted
Girl, you got me twisted over you.
Oh my God.
I got what you need right here, baby.
So what you wanna do?
Baby, baby, in time. Baby, in time. Baby, I know you're fine. I know you're fine. That what you needed was here. No, 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 no. Think about it, my dear.
But I gotta be.
But I gotta be strong, girl. You did me wrong.
I thought we were really down.
I know we were down.
Say you want
Now you say you want me, girl. Ooh, make up your mind.
I'm not gonna be here for long.
I'm not gonna be here for long. You know you want my loving, baby.
Got me twisted
Girl, you got me twisted, baby.
Oh my God.
I got everything you need tonight.
So what you wanna do?
Oh, she got that water. Hangman got that water. Don't act like you don't know. Giddy up, giddy up. Don't pay me in gold. Giddy up, giddy up. Back outside, I'm on the road. Giddy up, giddy up. When the sun goes down, light up, light up. Can hear her body howl. Light up. Feel her eyeing me like ow. Heard your man when a hangman coming down. She's a tyrant. Every time I ride it, every time I ride it, make it look so good. Try to justify it. Boy, you know they looking for me. How we gonna hide it? Riding like hydraulics. I am such a tyrant. Every time I ride it, every time I ride it, I don't like to sit up in the saddle. Boy, I got it. Just relax, I got this. I got that excited. Hips are so hypnotic. I am such a tyrant. She got that water. Hangman got that water. Don't act like you don't know. Giddy up, giddy up. Don't put me in gold. Giddy up, giddy up. Back outside, I'm on the road. Giddy up, giddy up. When the sun goes down, giddy up, giddy up. I can hear this body howl. Giddy up, giddy up. No, dig it down, dig it down. Dig it that again, leave me alone, leave me alone. Damn if I do, damn it if I don't. Hate it when it went wrong, but you wanna want. Okay. Tight, every time I ride it, every time I ride it, make it look so good. I was just a finest. Boy, I know they're looking for me.
All right, y'all. So that is it for this spread. I'll pop that back in. This is my spray. I gotta finish this sheet. I ran out of flowers, so I want to reprint some more. But this is my my spray for the month of May, my birthday month, y'all. Taurus gang. So this is my spray for the month. And I just went on ahead and, you know, I decorate all of my sheets. I like to decorate my sheets. I listen. Ain't no way, it's no way I will keep up with this journal and budget and stuff if on some plain ass sheets. I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. But this is my spread. Again, this is the no spend, low spend for the month. I do have to go ahead and do my hole punching so I could put my monthly budget sheets in, and not my debt payment sheet. So those have to go in here as well, but I haven't hole punched it. So yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. If you like this video, if you like my channel, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time your girl upload. And I will see you beauties in the next video. Okay, my girls, bye.
Love set you free to flap your feet.